Greetings everyone, it's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and today we will talk about how we can solve the problem of applications not opening in Xiaomi. But first, let's talk about why do we get this problem. So the thing is that when you need to download an application or you need to update an application, you have two options in your Xiaomi device, out of which one is Play Store and the other one is Get Apps. Now, usually we download our applications from Play Store and everybody does the same way. But if you download the application from Get Apps, which is this application, then you will always get this problem of your application not opening. So you need to keep in mind that you do not download any application from this application, which is Get Apps. But you also might find the problem even after you have downloaded your application from Play Store. Well, in those cases you get this problem only because you update the application from either Get Apps, or you get a notification of when you scroll down the bar and you get a notification of getting your application updated, and then you are taken to the settings, and here it gets you to system apps updater and you update your application from here. Now if you update your application from here or you update your application from Get Apps, in those cases you will always find the issue of the application that you have updated, it's not going to work. So what you have to do is, the simple solution for that is to delete and uninstall the application that you have downloaded and the one that is not working, and then you can download it from the Play Store. Now sometimes you do not want to download it from the Play Store because of the information you have in there. So in those cases what you have to do is you have to go to Play Store, you have to go to your manage apps and devices, and here you will select updates available and check if there's an update available for the application, and then you can update the application from the Play Store, and then the application will definitely start working. That is it for this video. I hope the video helped you, and if it did, do hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and I will see you in the next one.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to